Welcome to the class. Today we are going to revise nouns in the class. As you have already revised the nouns in the previous classes, right? In the previous classes you have revised the nouns, you have done the nouns in your notebook even. Again we are going to revise nouns in this online classroom. Okay, so let's begin. Nouns, right? What is noun? We have already done when we give a name to a person, people, place or a thing is known as noun, right? And noun is also known as naming words. So, noun is also known as naming words. So, come to the definition now. Nouns. Names of persons, animals, places and things are called nouns, right? So, for example, birds, tiger, park, boy, pencils, many things. Whatever you see in your classrooms, whatever you see in your house, everything has the names, right? Suppose you look at your almirah. Almirah is what is it? It is a thing and it has a name, that is noun. Okay, you are sitting on a chair. Chair is also one kind of a thing and that is also a noun, right? When you look outside, there are animals. That animals you see, that is dog. Dog is what? It is also a noun, name of an animal. Now we come to the types of nouns, right? So in this class we are going to revise the types of noun. There are two types of nouns. What is common noun and proper noun? Common noun and proper noun. What is common noun? Common noun, the name we give in general to every person, animal, place or thing of the same kind is a common noun. Children, when we give name to a person, animal, bird, to a same kind. To a same kind means in generally there are boys, we just call them he is a boy, she is a girl, that is an animal, right? So when we give name in a general to everyone, all the animals are there, right? So when we just say tiger, so it can be a general name for a tiger. We are not particularly mentioned that which tiger, who is the tiger, no. Now, so when we give name in general to every person, animal, plane of the same kind is common noun, right? For example, boy. So that boy is what? Name of a person, that is in general. Dog. What is the dog? Name of an animal. City. Name of a place. Pencil. Name of a thing. Right? So this is common noun. Next is proper. Okay class. So now we come to the proper noun. What is proper noun? The name we give to a particular person, animal, place or thing is a proper noun, right? For example, Aman, Tommy, Delhi. Now children, when we give name to a particular person, right? As we said the boy is a common noun. But when we give a name to the boy, it becomes proper noun. Like example, Aman, right? So we have given a name to a boy is Aman, right? Okay. Next is Tommy. When we give a name to an animal, to a dog, right? Okay, we have given a name to a dog. So that becomes a proper noun. So we have given Tommy name to the dog. So it becomes proper noun. Next is Delhi. Now Delhi is what? Name of a place. So when we give name to a place, it becomes a proper noun. So we have given a particular name, children. So what is the difference? When we specify something, when we give a specific name to any place, to a person, to a thing, it becomes the proper noun. And one more and the last important thing is that proper nouns begin with the capital letters, right? Proper nouns always begin with the capital letters. So let's do an exercise of the noun. So let's do one exercise of noun. Now circle the nouns in the following sentences. So the following sentences are given to you and you have to circle it, right? Now, Manya studies in my school. So, what is noun in this sentence? Manya and school. Manya is what? Name of a person, right? And school is name of a place. Okay, next. We have to circle it, right? Next, this pen has no ink. Again, pen is the name of a thing and ink is also name of a thing. Next, the market is near my house. So what is noun? Market, name of a place. House is also name of a place. Vivan is a naughty boy. Vivan is what? Name of a boy. And boy is also name of a person. Right? So, these are the nouns. So, in the next exercise, we'll do the types of nouns exercise. Right? Okay, next exercise. Let's do the exercise 2. Write C beside common nouns and P beside proper nouns. See me, right? Okay. Now, boy. Boy is what? Is it a common noun or proper noun? Boy is a common noun. We give name to a general, right? General name to the person. Common noun. Market. Market is what? General name to a place. So, it is common noun. Gujarat. Gujarat is a name of a place, right? Particular name has been given to a state, right? There are many states. But when we give a particular name to the state, it is the proper noun. So, Gujarat is proper noun. Mountains. Again, it is common noun, right? It is the name. Mountain can be anyone. When we say Himalaya, right? Then it is proper. Otherwise, it is common. Next, Virat Kohli. It is the name of a cricketer, right? So, it is the name of a person. We have given a specific name to that person. It is the proper noun. Table. Table is what? Common. Why? It is a general name to a thing. It can be any table. Sunflower. General name. Common. Right? It can be any sunflower. You can easily get the sunflower in any city, any place. Mostly, in most of the places, you can get the flowers, right? Richa. Again, what is this? It is a particular name given to a girl. Specific name of a girl. Richa is a proper noun. Okay. Now class, after this, we are going to do one activity. I will show you an example on the board and the same way you have to make the activity with the paper. Okay. Class, we are going to do the activity and the name of the activity is noun pizza. Today we are going to make a pizza. Do you all like pizza? Yeah, even I like. So we are going to make a pizza, but with the nouns. So let's start. What do you have to do? You have to cut a slice of pizza with A4 size sheet, right? And in that sheet you have to first mention that it is common noun pizza, common noun pizza, right? Common noun pizza, right? And in that common noun pizza, what do you have to do? You have to add spices also. So how will you add spices? By making circle or something else. You can make the cutouts, and when you will open the cutouts, you have to make the circles. Okay, we have to make it bigger a little bit so that it will be easy, right? Okay, here just for the example I am making it big. Okay, now here you have to write down person, here place, and here thing, right? Here person. Yes. So children, you have to make the cutout in that way. When you will open the person, this circle, you have to write any name of the person, right? Common name like boy. Here place, you can write any place like market or school. Okay, and in the next is thing, you can write any toy, right? So it is the common noun pizza. Now we are going to make same way proper noun pizza with A4 size sheet, and we'll give the name proper noun pizza, right? Same we will make, but here we will write the proper noun. That how? Check. Person, place, thing. Okay, person, here you can give any name of the person. Zoya. Place, Delhi. Okay, and thing. When you give a name to a thing, like a brand, you can say that Bata shoes, right? Bata shoe, shoes, right? So name is given to. Is it clear to you? I hope you enjoy this activity, and I'll see you tomorrow with this activity.